welcome back to my channel. Guess what I'm doing today? Yes, I'm doing something really new and excited. I'm on my way to go to see my friend, a professional and experienced craftsman in the Pottery Village, Thanh Ha, Hoi An. And I decided to be her student for one day and learn everything about making pottery. So if you want to see how my day will be, it would be amazing or a totally failure because I'm not very good with my hands and everything. But let's follow and find out. Stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. House in the Pottery Village in Hoi An, and I will go inside and I talk to my friends, and together we will go to start our day learning how to making pottery.
Chào con, cô khỏe cô? Con đi tham quan làm gốm hả?
Món ngày nay con Lan đi học làm gốm với cô đây chứ. Đổi nghề.
Con đi học làm gốm hả?
Dạ. Chậm nữa có dẫn con đi nghe.
Rồi.
Okay, so my friend, she's more than happy to just take me around and doing pottery, you know. Tức là trường làm gốm là bắt đầu là con nghĩ là mình phải đi lấy đất đồ đúng không cô?
Vâng, cái khâu này là đất đã chín rồi. Bây giờ con đi với cô ra này sẽ xem cái chỗ mình mua đất cục như thế này về mình làm ra đất chín. Về biết làm nên sản phẩm.
Yeah. Okay. So she explained to me that first, before doing this, you know, you have to go to collect the clay, and so she would take me to go to buy the clay, and after that you doing the clay before you forming the shape of the products like this. Okay, so the local people, they using the clay collecting from the Tobon River, which is the river you see over there, and they put delivery by boat to here. Here is the port, the little port, and then they put the clay here, and then after that you have to put water inside and how to say, processing it, and then the final things, it will be like this. Okay, so I would take my clay from this bunch, and after that I will bring this back home and then making my own products from this. And she call is this is the ripe clay. It means that the raw clay is here, and then you have to processing to become a clay like this. Okay, let's go. Đi cô. Rào lấy được cục rồi đây.
Lấy được cục.
Ở đây. Ở đây nữa. Okay, so I have to put it into the wheel throw. So in this village, you know, everything is handmade. So it's all handcraft things, and you use the wheel throw to just form in the shape of your products. So now I will just learn from her how to form in the shape. I guess this is the hardest part. Điều này có cái này. It looks very simple, you know, but once you put your hands into the clay, you just confusing. You don't know what to do. Exactly like what I'm doing right now. I don't know what to do. But I guess I'm making a small bowl to eating rice. I love rice. And yes, and this is the teamwork, because there you need another person to help you to throw the wind throw. And after that, that person have to really understand you, you know, when you want to slow down and when you want it faster. You see, my bowl is forming the shape, but I need that to be a little bit deep, a little bit deeper. Oh, I really think that I'm good at this, you know. This would be the second job that I may make a living for my life, you know. Okay, so while waiting for my little QT bowl dry half an hour, I will have her to bring this products to go to fire in the kiln, in the oven. Out they go, and she will show me where is it. It's heavy. Where is the oven? Let's just the kiln, the oven. We have to put our products here together with some charcoal like this, and we light the fire in another below. I will just put my products very gently here. So you know, there is no way to measuring the temperature in the oven. The people like her, she have to feel the heat and listen to the fire to know exactly the temperature in the oven to produce the perfect final product. Rồi trừ là cái là bỏ thân này vô đúng không? Sang đầu lấy cái miếng gỗ để đậy lại nữa cô.
Đó, mấy cái miếng nó đậy
Okay,
lại.
so after that you have to take this thing to cover the top and light the fire below. Okay. And you fire. And then after that you wait. Mấy tiếng cô? 8 tiếng cô thầy? 8 hours. And then after that you will get the final products. And I will show you how the final products look like. Natural, everything is handmade, color. You know, we don't use the how to say enamel to cover the pottery, but only the natural color. So we have red, brown, light brown, black. Yeah. So the kiln before that we see is using just for small products, decoration like small vase, small animal. But products also want to show me the bigger oven, the bigger kiln to steam, to fire, the bigger used for practical products like big vase, big pot, big bowl. Okay, so this is has look like. You put stuff inside. Every stuff inside, you see those big bowls, bowl. Sorry. And then you put the wood inside, light the fire. You cover up here, and you wait for 8 hours. And then after that, to get out the products. I think I have to spend at least 5 or 10 more years to be able to do those professional pots, you know. I cannot make these things. I only can make little decoration stuff. These are lady, the craftsmen are making one of the pots, you see. I have a question for you. If you answer right, I will have a gift for you. You know what is this? It is, yes, money saving. I think 100% the children in Vietnam are really familiar with this one. Everyone knows this when they are a child because everyone have one. You use this to put your money inside and save. You're saving until you have something you want to buy and you take the money out by breaking it, you know. But me, I cannot save money for quite a long time. So after a while, I have to use a tweezer, a very practical tool to just carefully take the money out and spend it, you know. So in the end, my money saving is empty. My mom was really unhappy about that. So if you travel to Vietnam to the Pottery Village, make sure you get one of this to save money for your next trip, okay? Okay, so after going back to the house, I will decorate my own products. I have to come up with an idea what I will draw. Cái gì từ vẽ cái gì quầy? Không biết vẽ cái gì. I don't know what to do to decorate my bowl, you know. Okay, a house, a trees. You know, because it's my dream. I would just want to have a peaceful house in the peaceful village, just like this village, and spend my day in a very peaceful way. I don't have to work a lot, just do gardening and everything. So I will just draw. So this is my piece of art, even though I don't think that I should be the artist because it's gonna be a disaster for the world, you know. Look at this. But I draw my dream with a very peaceful village. We have green tree, sun, the water, and peaceful life. So what do you think about my piece of art? After decorating, I have to ask Goduk to help me to put into the oven my little cutie bowl. And you want to see the final products? Ta-da! This is the final products with a very beautiful rustic red brick color. You see? And in this village, we do very rustic products. We don't use enamels to make the outside of the product shiny like other handcraft village. And my favorite thing is this one. I have to choose one anymore. This is the toy for kids. This is the little toy for the kids. What do you think about my products? It's gonna come out beautiful like this. I think I'm gonna be a pottery craftsman in the future.
Đến để tham quan làng và cũng góp nhiều cái phần để giúp đỡ cho bà con ở làng xóm làng, với lại hơn nữa là để quảng bá cái làng nghề của mình.
Yeah. So it's her parents and her grandparents who are doing this handcraft for quite a long time, and when she growing up she have another job because this job doesn't make a lot of money, but then when she get older she just came back here and then continued keeping the job of her family, and she really want in the future, you know, we can have to promote the handcraft village, the making pottery village to friends in all over the world, to you know, a little bit helping them to keeping this village become a living heritage of Hoi An and Vietnam. Con cũng ơn mom đó cô. That's what I want to do too. Yeah, and I hope that young people in Vietnam, if you seeing this, you know, I think that this is a thing that we should really doing something to keep for our country. So my day learning making pottery in Thanh Ha Pottery Village, one of the very few handicraft village that still exists in Hoi An. So I think I need to practice a lot more to be such professional and experienced like my friend Cô Đức. And so I hope you like the video and seeing you in the next one. Bye!